Hello friends, Santosh this side. Today we will learn about indirect function. Indirect function is a useful tool in Excel that allows you to reference cells and ranges indirectly. Okay, let us understand this in details with the help of a small example. My cell with address D16 has a value of 20. If I write is equal to D16, it will give me the value that is available in D16. Okay, now suppose if I write D16 over here and if I try to get the detail of D16, and what will be the result we will be getting? See, it is this, the value that is available inside this cell is showing up, but what we want is this is the value that is available in D16. Okay, so this is where the indirect function comes in. So if I write indirect, okay, and then I reference the cell D16 that is written over here, and then I close the bracket, then it will give me the value that is available in D16. So if I update the cell value as 100, it will give me the value as 100. So what this function is doing is that it is converting the value that is available in a cell to a range. Okay, so suppose if I enter a cell value as 250 over here and I write what is the address over here, that is D20. Okay, so if I write indirect inverted commas D20 and then inverted commas, enter, see it is. So what it is doing, it is converting a text into a range and giving us the value that is available in the range. If I click over here, okay, if I select over here and press F9, see it is giving 250 what is available in D20. Let me help you with another example. I have created a simple video on tables. If you have not watched it, please watch the table video over there, because the next example is based on tables. The link should be available in the comment section or in the description, or it should be available right now on your screen. Okay, these are three simple tables that I have created. Okay, these simple data sets: dataset 1, dataset 2, dataset 3. You can see here, press Ctrl F3 and you can see the three tables over here. Okay, now what I'm doing, since I created them as a tables, the table has the headers by default. So I have copied the headers over here and pasted it. So what I will do, I will just write indirect. Okay, before that I have created a drop down with the name of three data sets over here. Okay, data validation, list, and see dataset 1, dataset 2, and dataset 3. These are simple data set drop downs. What I am doing here is that if I write is equal to indirect dataset 3 and close, enter. So this will give me the data that is available in dataset 3. If I update the filter or the drop down as dataset 1, it will give me the dataset here of 1, and similarly for dataset 2. And now if I try to create a graph from this, one second, let us go insert a simple bar chart. Now see, so suppose if I update the dataset as 1, the dataset is changing. Dataset 3, the dataset is changing. So it is one of the good business cases wherein we use indirect function and shift between the different ranges. Suppose if I want to show the graph for dataset 1 or dataset 2 or dataset 3. If you found the information in this video useful, I would appreciate it if you could help me reach a wider audience, like sharing, liking, and subscribing to my channel. Your support will enable me to contribute creating valuable contents that can benefit more people. Thank you.